feeling like little baby.
In the ever-evolving world of gaming monitors, the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 represents one of the most audacious attempts to bend sheer scale, ultra-wide format, and cutting-edge panel technology. At the outset, the Odyssey G9 checks many boxes on paper. It offers a 49-inch diagonal size with a 32:9 ultra-wide aspect ratio and 5120x1440 resolution. According to Samsung's official product page, it's an OLED panel enhanced by the Neo Quantum Processor Pro, bringing brighter whites, deeper blacks, and near infinite contrast. The refresh rate hits up to 240 Hz with an astonishingly low response time of 0.03 milliseconds GTG. Regarding connectivity, it provides one DisplayPort 1.4, one HDMI 2.1 port, a micro HDMI port, and 3 USB-C ports for hub functionality. This monitor features a 1800R curvature, which I find ideal for its size. It's not overly curved, yet it wraps around my field of view just enough to create a deeply immersive experience. Like the Odyssey Arc, this monitor also functions as a smart TV thanks to its built-in streaming apps and Samsung's intuitive Tizen-style interface. One of the standout areas where this monitor delivers is image quality. It covers 99% of DCI-P3 color gamut, meaning images and games will look vibrant and very close to what the creators intended. This puts it well ahead of many gaming monitors in terms of color richness. The OLED nature also gives the near infinite contrast and true black capability that LCDs cannot match, enhancing immersion, especially in dark scenes such as space, nighttime gaming, and HDR content. In gaming tests, the response time was exceptionally fast. The implication here is that motion clarity is extremely high and ghosting or trailing is essentially eliminated under optimal conditions. Combination of a massive 49-inch wide screen, high refresh rate, ultra-wide aspect, and OLED panel brings a level of immersion not commonly available. Because of the sheer size of this monitor and its massive stand, the experience of connecting my HDMI cable to the port was extraordinarily difficult. It definitely stood out to me, so I thought I'd mention it. In terms of brightness and reflections, this monitor can reach up to 250 nits, which is more than sufficient for my needs. Even with bright lights behind it, the screen remains clearly visible. The curved display helps minimize reflections, and despite the glossy finish, it still looks great. While primarily marketed as a gaming monitor, the sheer size and resolutions mean the Odyssey OLED G9 can double for productivity work, multitasking with many windows, spreadsheets, code editor plus browser, video editing timeline, and more. The 5120 pixel width on 49-inch allows you to replace dual monitors with one seamless display and avoid bezel interruption. That said, some caveats must be highlighted for productivity. Text clarity, for instance, compared to a standard 27-inch 4K monitor, the pixel density on the 49-inch ultra-wide is lower at 110 ppi, which might not be a lot for some people, but for me, it's adequate. I found the text to be sharp enough to read my timeline and even edit videos on as well. Though I will say, with this being so wide, I do have to sit further back, and the display kind of does feel narrow compared to like a regular 32-inch 4K monitor, which has that height advantage in terms of the display. This one, being a 1440p monitor, is wider, but it's not as tall as a 4K monitor. Also, fitting a 49-inch curved monitor demands a large desk and sufficient viewing distance to fully appreciate the width without extreme head turning or eye strain. Luckily, it does perfectly fit in with my setup, and I'm able to use it with my arms extended and relaxed with a good posture, but that is also something to keep in mind. I do like the fact that there is a remote control included with this monitor. It's nice and sleek and easy to use. This monitor also has been working flawlessly with my MacBook Pro, getting up to 240Hz with some excellent colors. With this being an Odyssey monitor, it does have that awesome core lighting on the back, and I gotta say, it looks great, though I might not see it when I'm looking directly in front of the monitor. It does create this nice ambiance of RGB lights on my wall. Currently playing Indiana Jones, and now I'm going to test out the speaker of the Odyssey G9 as well. The game is super immersive. OLED is, look at the shadow over there. I did not even notice that shadow earlier. Look, this game is so detailed, such a beautiful game. And now let me turn up the volume. Volume is set to 70%. OLED is definitely the way. The dark scene looks so realistic. Look at that.
Gotta be some vagrant. Can't sleep here. Who the hell are you? You asked for it. Whatever you're up to, pal. This is a museum. Careful.
Now, who should buy this monitor and who should not? This monitor is best for hardcore PC gamers who have a powerful GPU and want high refresh rate at 5120 by 1440 resolution in a truly immersive wide format. It's also for users who want one screen that replaces dual monitors and offers a wraparound experience for racing, flying, simulation games, or immersive story-based games. It's also great for users with large desks, good ambient lighting control, ideally not a bright window directly facing the screen. I mean, I don't think anybody wants to be using a monitor like that anyways. And for people who appreciate OLED performance, of course. But let's talk about who this is not for. It's not for people who primarily focus on productivity tasks where text clarity, high vertical resolution, and the long hours of static UI dominate. In such cases, a more traditional 16:9 4K monitor or a high PPI smaller monitor might be a better fit. Overall, if you're looking for a super ultra wide 49-inch OLED monitor, then this one is definitely worth checking out.